Hey everybody, here just to do another quick video. Today we've got a Department 56 Halloween Village piece. This is number 55346, Castle Blackstone. This is a really neat castle piece that lights up. It does have a sound function, and as you can see, the rear trees here have fiber optics and light up. You can pull those apart and spread them out. I just have them together for storage. This is a large piece. I'll go ahead and play the soundtrack for you. It does have a start-stop button. And I appreciate you watching. Thanks.